So this is a Minecraft tutorial. Lovely. So I'm going to be showing you how to download and install a Minecraft server onto your computer. Alright, and I'm back. So what you want to do is you want to go to the links in the description and make sure you download both. Thanks, Opera. You want to download both the Java archive and you want to download the paper.jar by clicking the blue button and then the Windows x64 installer. Once you've downloaded both of those two things, you can close out of your browser because we no longer need it. You should have server.bat, paper.jar, and a eula.txt, all of which I have left in the description. And you should also have a Java installer, which you want to go ahead and run that and install it. Once you've installed Java, you want to create a new folder on your desktop called Minecraft Server, and you want to open it. What this folder will include is the server.bat, the paper.jar, and the eula.txt. What you want to do is you want to create a bat file, because I'm not going to leave a bat file just out in the open on the web because that's a bad idea and Windows will say it's a virus. So what you want to do is you want to create a new text document called Runme.bat, and then you want to copy the text I have left in the description into that bat file. Now how you edit the bat file on Windows is you right click it and click edit, and then that's it. And you control V. Now I'm going to go ahead and explain what these arguments do. So this just initializes Java with the max amount of RAM usage being 512 megabytes, the minimum amount of RAM usage being 512 megabytes, and then the jar it's using is the paper.jar, and then the argument of the paper.jar is no GUI. You can change this 512 to 1G, or 2G, or 12G, or however many megabytes you want specifically, and it will change it to that amount. That goes for both. Once you've closed out of the bat file that you copied and pasted the text in, make sure you save it by pressing Ctrl S or going to File and then Save. You want to run the bat file, but I'm going to do this extra little step called cheating and not downloading the Minecraft Mojang.jar again. I'm just going to create that and then put that in there. Little cheat hack, you know, just in case your Wi-Fi sucks. So what you want to do is you want to run the bat file. What it will do is we'll check and make sure the cache is there and then the libraries are there, and it will start applying patches, and then it will start generating all the files for your server. Now if you have done everything correctly, you should have the server running. If it's not running, make sure you have eula.txt, make sure you have the paper.jar that you downloaded from the website, and make sure you have Java installed. That's a big one. If your server is not running, that means your Java is not installed. That or something's wrong with your Java. I will be free to help anyone out in the comments. But, yeah, so it says done, and it is up. Now you can go ahead and edit the server properties. So you can change the port that it's on if you want to port forward. I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but there's plenty of videos out there that show you how to port forward. I will be back once I'm in Minecraft to show you that this actually works. Okay, and I am back. One thing I forgot to mention before, you want to make sure you have your RAM set to a higher limit than what I currently set it to. Otherwise, you're going to have a Java out-of-memory error being spammed inside of your console. Just a quick note on that. So let me go ahead and start up the server, because I am currently waiting. It's loading. So once you're in Minecraft, and your friends are in Minecraft and whatnot and etc., you want to put your public IP address. Now, if you do not know how to get your public IP address, you just need to look it up on Google, and it will give you your public IP address. if it gives you a long set of 4 characters separated by colons, you just want to go on a website and look for it, because of the fact that Google's being weird and it's only detecting your IPv6 public IP address. So once you've gotten your public IP address, you want to put it here. You want to put it here, plus a colon, plus the port you set in your server properties. Once you've done that, you can click done, and it will go to the bottom of your server list. That's where it will show up. And look at that, a Minecraft server. So yeah, there's the server. I'm not screwing with you. How you play it, you just click the play button. And it will say UID of player lemons XP is yada yada yada. And the IP you join with will be right there. And it should be the public IP. Now, thing about the Minecraft server and public IPs is it doesn't show your actual IP, which is a question I get by a lot of my friends. Like, hey, will my IP get DDoSed? No. They have to be on your Wi-Fi to get DDoSed. And that's what some people don't understand, is that public IP address isn't really your IP address. It is just a way to get to your network online. But see, the thing is, you can't DDoS someone from their public IP. You have to DDoS them from their default gateway. And the difference between a default gateway is the default gateway is the direct connection to your router. So if I was to go to my browser and type like the default gateway into the URL bar, it would take me directly to my router page. However, if you did the public IP address, it would not take you to the router page. Now, for the host, you can use 127.0.0.1, like I did here, and it would automatically connect you. Thing to note for you server hosts, though, if you click in the console like that, it'll stop running commands and such, which is weird. I've had this happen. So, like, see how I typed T in the chat just now? And see how I pressed escape to get that go away? Yeah, just be careful of that. If you click in the console, it'll stop your server. It'll, like, freeze it in time, basically, which is not what you want to do. Anyway, that was it for this video. If you do like this video and you thought it was helpful, please leave a like button and a subscribe button. I really don't care. Yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.